Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So recently I had gone to one of this shop to have some tea, and I noticed that they serve tea in these clay pots. Now these are basically called as cullets or cooler. Basically these are unglazed clay pots, or you can call them as terracotta pots. These are not glazed, and of course they don't have a drain hole as well. We'll have to make a drain hole in order to use. Now this, you will be surprised, is a medium size cup. You have a smaller and you have a larger. I think it would be another a size bigger than this, so medium was more than enough. Now ideally these are used either for tea, coffee, buttermilk, or sweets as well. Of course for sweets you will have a little bit smaller and broader bowl kind of a pot. So the moment when I seen this, I was like, I knew what I have to do this. Now ideally this is trashed, so you can imagine around 100 200 cups like these are trashed every day. I wish I could have picked them up, but I just picked up the one that I was having it in. So this is how it tends to look like. Now the issue with this is because of course the size of this is very small, so we definitely cannot use it for a medium size succulent or for a large succulent, but yes, we can definitely use it for small pups. Or even if you want to leaf propagate one single one, you can leaf propagate it in this, and you can keep this as a permanent container. Probably once the mother leaf is dried, you can take out the mother leaf and you can let that single small pup grow in this, because ideally for a pup or for a leaf propagation to reach let's say to a decent size, or probably 6 centimeters, 7 centimeter, it is going to take at least a year's time or more than a year's time. So it's going to stay in this and it is going to do quite well. Apart from that, the best thing is that they also do not get heated in direct sunlight, so they work out really well. Even right now when I'm holding, that cup is really cold and very cool, so that is the best thing about this. Now these do come only in unglazed form, they do not come in glaze, so I will paint it because I don't like. Now if you want, you can definitely put it in this, but I will just give it a coat of paint and then plant in some small pups that I have. So we have our cooler ready with some beautiful paint. Now it's time to add the succulent. Now of course the drain hole is really small, so we will fill in some mountain soil. That's about it. So once we have our mountain soil filled halfway through, we have our succulent soil mix. Fill that up too. That's about it, and there we go. We have planted some succulents in this. This is Letizia and these two are Serum Golden Glow. Now yes, the pot is definitely very small, not as of now. Once they start to grow, which again it's going to take another year and a half for them to grow, so until then they are going to be in this small. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.